front of me is AGM H6 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Now scroll down and make sure to click on all of those icons at the top right corners of all of those sections. This way you will see all available themes. Click on the best one for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher, and when you're ready, tap on Apply. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But my favorite thing is customizing keyboard theme. To do that, click on the same color palette and this time use this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on a photo you wanna apply as your new keyboard's background. Let's go with this one. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and hit next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage key borders and tap on Apply. As you can see, theme of my keyboard was customized within few seconds. To manage this theme, go back to the same settings and click on it. To edit it, use this pen at the top right corner. Then change wherever you want to and hit save. Make sure to tap on Apply one more time. To delete any theme, click on it and use this bin at the top right corner to confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!